What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. It's long overdue. It's been about 2 months since I last posted, and I need my ass beat for that. But I'm gonna get better with posting, y'all, especially during this coronavirus shit. It ain't nothing else to do, so I might as well. So today I'm dyeing 2 wigs. We're gonna highlight these. I'm just showing y'all I have some Shimmer lights, 40 volume developer, and I'm using Loreal quick blue bleach. My dumb ass used like a whole thing of bleach, a whole tub, but I did not need all this bleach. I ended up wasting a lot because I didn't need all of this bleach. So don't be like me. Mix as you go, y'all. And then just make sure that y'all follow me on Instagram at Ebony from Hooters and at DeRay MUA. That's gonna be on the bottom of the screen right there. So right here I'm just mixing the bleach up. You want it to be not too thick and not too runny, like a perfect in the middle consistency. Be sectioning off the hair and applying the bleach. I'm using foil in between layers, so I don't get bleach on like the part that I'm not trying to highlight, if y'all know what I'm saying. So y'all just gonna see me right here just like picking out the sections that I'm gonna put bleach on, and whatever I'm not putting bleach on, I'm putting the foil on top of that, then pulling the other hair on top and then adding the bleach. And then I just did it with my hands because it was way faster than with a brush. If I would have used a brush, that shit would have took all day. And I be making a lot of wigs, so I don't really have time to be spending all that time like bleaching. Like that shit take all damn day. So I'm just doing the same thing from the bottom to the top, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. This is a quick video, like yeah, real quick. It's easy as hell. Like all I did was just bleach it to get the desired look. It came out real cute. One of these wigs is a 26, the other one is a 22, and one of my clients, well, one is for my cousin, the other one is for my client. But my cousin, she wanted hers with like less highlights, and my client wanted hers with like more. So they look a little bit different in the end, but same process. And excuse my fucking titties, I don't have on no damn bra, and my damn baby gut. BBL coming soon. That's another video for another time. But yeah, I'm just going back and forth coloring both of the wigs. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy. That's pretty much what this whole video is, just me coloring it till I get to the top. I was gonna do install too, but fucking corona, I don't even want nobody in my house around me and my baby. So no installs, but I will have those type of videos in the future. Y'all could like, comment, and subscribe to me. And in the comment section below, like, tell me what type of videos y'all want to see. I'm mainly gonna be doing like client makeup tutorials and me dyeing wigs, and maybe I might do like constructing a wig, but I make mine on a sewing machine. And I don't know about setting the camera up in like an angle so you can see. Like my setup is not ideal right now for that, so I don't know. But I'm gonna be doing my own makeup and shit too. I just look like a damn bum, so I haven't wanted to get on the camera. But I'm getting my hair done on Saturday and my lashes on Friday, so y'all might get a get to know me tag video soon, since I'm gonna get my shit done. But yeah, here I am still just applying the bleach, real easy, real easy. And I put that Shimmer lights in the bleach because it's supposed to help take away the brassiness. I mean, I guess I could see a difference from when I use it and when I don't. Well, the first time I did it, because I don't really bleach without using it no more. Sometimes if I forget to put it in there. But for the most part, I'm always putting it in. And this hair was bleaching fast as hell, so I was trying to hurry up. Like, when I be bleaching hair, I be getting scared because the bottom be turning so fucking quick. But, yeah, you just want to go as fast as you can. Oh, yeah, and I was washing my gloves off in between every layer, so I didn't get bleach, like, on the parts that I didn't want to get bleach on. One thing I did hear somebody say is, like, when the bleach dries up, it stops processing. I don't know how true that is. Makes sense, kind of, if you think about it. But I don't know. So I just be trying to hurry up because I don't be trying to fuck nothing up, you know? Okay, now I'm just doing a closure, and I started doing it with a brush, but that shit was I'm telling you, it was gonna take all day, so I just did it with my hands. And I did the same thing that I did on the bundles. I just, you know, section it off, put the bleach or whatever, and yeah. Wrap it up in foil, let it process for an additional 35 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse it out, which y'all see here. So I think I'll rinse the long one first, which is this one. And then I wash it out using Shimmer Light shampoo. It's supposed to help remove the brassiness, but I don't know if it really does that. Has anybody ever tried a different type of purple shampoo? I remember watching a video on YouTube. This girl did like the different kinds and like the color it gives you when you wash your hair with it. So I don't know. I'm thinking about trying a different kind because Shimmer Lights apparently isn't the best out there. So I don't know. And then I'm just rinsing the other one out. Oh, and I washed with Shimmer Lights, and then after I did that, I put Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle on the hair, and then I let it sit in a plastic bag overnight. And then I ended up rinsing it out, letting it air dry, and I flat ironed it. And then in this last clip, y'all are about to see the final look for both wigs, and they're still full of life. And not dry at all, not stiff, not dry. So the shorter one is with more highlights. And then the longer one is with less. And fat. I like the long one personally. I like long hair. I got a wig just like that. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all in the next video.